Martina Martinez and Perez the Mouse, a story by Alma, Flor, from the book Tales Our Abuelitas Told. One bright Sunday morning, Martina Martinez decided it was the perfect day for spring cleaning, and she was sweeping a corner of the house. A shiny silver coin! How lucky I am! A shiny silver coin to spend on anything I want. What shall I buy? I know, I'll buy rock candy. No, I'll eat it and I'll have nothing left. How about some chocolates? No, I'll eat them and have nothing left. Once she was done cleaning, she went to the store to see what she might catch her eye. She took a warm bath. She came home with a beautiful red ribbon. She took a warm bath, put on her prettiest dress, and tied the ribbon on her head. Feeling very good about herself, she took her favorite chair outside and sat in front of her house. Señor Gato came by. Buenas tardes, Martina. How lovely you look today. It must be my new ribbon that has caught your eye. Would you like to marry me? How would you sing our babies to sleep? Meow! Oh, no. You would only scare them. Señor Perro came strolling by. Buenas tardes, Martina. How lovely you look today. It must be my new ribbon that has caught your eye. Would you like to marry me? How would you sing our babies to sleep? Arf, 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 arf. Oh, no, you would only scare them. Señor Gallo came strolling by. Buenas tardes, Martina. How lovely you look today. It must be my new ribbon that has caught your eye. Would you like to marry me? How would you sing our babies to sleep? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh, no, you would only scare them. It was nightfall, and Martina was about to go into her house when Raton Perez came strolling by. Martina was hoping he would walk by. Raton Perez passed her house every evening but never said anything to her. But this night he did. Buenas noches, Martina. How lovely you look tonight. Buenas noches, Raton Perez. It must be my new ribbon that has caught your eye. I have been meaning to ask you to go out with me for a long time. Martina Martinez, would you go out with me? I don't see why not. So Martina and Raton Perez began spending time together. After a while, they liked each other very much and decided to get married. They moved into a little house behind an orange tree in Doña Pepa's garden. They decided to have a party for all their friends. Raton Perez started to clean the house, and Martina began cooking their favorite soup. I have no salt for my soup. I have to go buy some at the market. Watch the soup, but don't get too close to it. The pot is very big. Sniff, sniff. Yum! Look at that golden onion. Yikes! Soon Martina returned from the store. Ratoncito Perez, dear husband, where are you? Ay! Two little birds saw Martina crying on her doorstep. Martina Martinez, why are you crying? My dear Raton Perez fell into the soup pot trying to eat a golden onion. To show our sorrow, we will cut off our beaks. And so they did. The mourning dove saw the little birds with their beaks cut off. Little birds, what happened to your beaks? Raton Perez fell into the soup reaching for a golden onion. Martina Martinez is crying her heart out, and to show our sorrow, we cut off our beaks. Then I'll cut off my tail. And so she did. The mourning dove went for a drink of water at the fountain. Mourning dove, what happened to your tail? Raton Perez fell into the soup reaching for a golden onion. Martina Martinez is crying her heart out, and to show sorrow, the little birds cut off their beaks, and I cut off my tail. Then I will stop my water from flowing. And so she did. Margarita Doña Pepa's niece went to fetch some water, but the fountain was dry. "Fountain, where is your water?" Raton Perez fell into the soup, reaching for a golden onion. Martina Martinez is crying her heart out, and to show her sorrow, the little birds cut off their beaks, the mourning dove her tail, and I stop my water from flowing. "Then I'll break my water jug." Doña Pepa saw Margarita come into the house looking sad. "Margarita, what happened to your water jug?" Raton Perez fell into the soup, reaching for a golden onion. Martina Martinez is crying her heart out, and to show her sorrow, the little birds cut off their beaks, the mourning dove her tail, the fountain stopped the water from flowing, and I broke the clay jar. "And who is helping Raton Perez?" Raton Perez was saved and put to bed to rest. Doña Pepa helped Martina make some flour paste for the little birds' beaks, the mourning dove's tail, and Margarita's water jar. They all went to ask the fountain to make her water run again, and announced that there would be a party that night, and they had a great big fiesta. The end.